Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles, skin whitening, get rid of sagging skin, fine lines, dark spots, black spots and pigmentation, get fair, spotless and glowing skin, firm skin without any wrinkles and fine lines. The first ingredient we need to prepare this amazing remedy is 1 potato, and we need to peel it like so. Then, my friends, we need a shredder or grate and grate the potato. My friends, in a clean mixing bowl we need to juice it. Once we juice the potato and we get the fresh potato juice, we need to add on it 1 egg white, and mix well the ingredients. Then we need to add around 2 teaspoons of rice flour and mix very well. After mixing very well and combining all the ingredients together, apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust and leave it on your face for 1 hour to dry out completely, and you will find the wrinkles disappear. It firms the skin naturally, and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.